Assalamualaikum. So now I want to talk about the process flow of steam generation in the plant. Firstly, in steam generation plant, steam is first heated in the steam generation system and reach a high temperature of around 400 Celsius to 600. After that, steam will condensate. Its volume is reduced, resulting localized reduction in pressure. The process of boiling water to make steam at a high boiling point is a familiar phenomenon. Next, a steam generation system has to produce a continuous and uninterrupted heat source for converting heat energy into the gaseous state. Second, to carry out the convection boiler is used as a simple steam generation equipment. In this operation, to gain maximum transfer of heat to the tube surface enclosed with water, the hot gases from the burner backward and forward up to 3 times. Therefore, as a result of applying heat, water in a boiler causing water to boil due to increase in temperature and form steam. As a heat continues to be applied, the temperature in the boiler remains unchanged and steam begins to be generated. Next, when the heat is transferred from a steam to the process require heat, the steam condenses to form condensate steam. Finally, boiler contain water and steam has a number of tube fittings and controls to ensure that it operates safely and at a consistent pressure during steam generation system in a power plant.
Okay, now we talk about the function of steam plant. As we know, the steam plant is to generate electrical power by using fuel like coal, oil and natural gas. A power plant consists of boiler, turbine, condenser and others. For the simple process of steam plants, is the feedstock will flow into the boiler and it will burn. The steam will heated until it becomes dissipated. So the dissipator will used to rotate the turbine, and another process will produce to the electrical supply. The steam plant described by a Rankine cycle. For the general equipment that used in steam plant, such as like turbine, boiler, and condenser. For the function of boiler is used to produce high pressure steam. The component of turbine in the steam plant is so important to working process. If we cannot use the boiler, it will affect the operation. The function of turbine is to convert energy from high pressure steam to mechanical energy in form of shaft rotation. Lastly, cooling system which use a condenser. The condenser is to exhaust steam from turbine for use in cycle to maximize turbine efficiency by maintaining proper V2. That's all. Thank you.
Okay, now let's talk about the important component in the steam plant in Lab 20. Okay, steam plant have 4 important components. What are the 4 important components in the steam plant? Okay, you guys want to know about the 4 important components in the steam plant? Check it out. So, I want to talk about the 4 important components in the steam plant. Okay, the first one is boiler. The function of boiler is to convert water into steam. The process of change of water to vapor done by heating the water in the pipe with heat. The steam produced is wet steam, but the wet steam is not efficiency in the plant. So the boiler increase the temperature to make the wet steam change to the superheated steam, which is more efficiency for the steam plant. The resulting steam is superheated steam, which have high temperature and high pressure. Steam production quantities dependent on the surface area of heat transfer, flow rate, and heat of combustion. The second one is steam engine. The steam engine are same like a steam turbine, which is use the superheated steam to operate. A steam engine is a heat engine that perform mechanical work using steam as its working fluid. Steam engines are external combustion engine where the working fluid is separate from the combustion product. The ideal thermodynamic cycle used to analyze this process is called a Rankine cycle. Next, the important component in the steam plant is condenser. The condenser are devices to convert steam into water. Heat transfer rate depends on the flow of cooling water, sanitation tube, and the temperature difference between the steam and cooling water. Process of change into water vapor occur at saturated pressure and temperature. In this case, the condenser is under vacuum because the cooling water temperature equal to outside temperature. The maximum temperature condensate water near the outside air temperature. If the rate of heat transfer interrupted will affect the pressure and temperature. Okay, the last one of the important component in the steam plant is a water feed pump. The purpose of the boiler feed pump is to raise the pressure of the water entering the boiler to exceed boiler steam drum pressure. It is normally a larger multi-stage centrifugal pump.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we're going to talk about NDT from steam generator. First of all, what is NDT? NDT is one of a technique used in science and technology industry to evaluate the properties of material, component or system without causing any damage to the system. And the meaning of NDT is non-destructive testing. NDT are also known as non-destructive examination, NDE, non-destructive inspection, and non-destructive evaluation. NDT plays a crucial role in everyday life and necessary to assure safety and reliability. NDT is commonly used in forensic engineering, mechanical engineering, system engineering, aeronautical engineering, medicine, and art. NDT is a quality assurance management tool which give impressive results when used correctly. NDT is normally used for accident prevention and reduce the cost, improve product reliability, mean acceptance to a given requirement, and give recognition to the criteria. In order to gain recognition and obtain valid result, the following is required. One of the terms are visual inspection, educate penetrant inspection, acoustic emission, magnetic particle inspection, eddy current inspection, ultrasonic inspection, inspection of rotor shaft, and steam inlet and outlet. First, lastly is visual testing. Visual testing is the examination of the surface using special equipment such as endoscope, fibroscope, and magnifying. Visual testing is a low cost that can be executed if the component is in operation. It is required the eye of seasoned expert. This visual testing is the primary method used